Hello, Warriors. Welcome to Whip Around Wednesday. I've noticed that we're getting more reversal action on Wednesdays than on Turnaround Tuesday. So just something to be aware of that sometimes it doesn't happen on that sequence of wherever the market closes Friday, follow through Monday, reversals Tuesday. Seems they've been stretching a little bit longer, and we're definitely having some reversals. So here you go. I mean, gold's down, trying to come back. Silver's down, trying to come back. But the most important reversal that's happening, and I was talking about par 50, 101.50 to par 50 for a potential low in the dollar before we get a reaction, maybe back up towards 2.5, and that's underway. That's manifested. Believed that it would be led, that the yen would lead the way by putting in a higher low here and making a move up towards 150. A lot of people would want to be willing sellers at 152. All you have to do is look at a weekly chart and see how important that 152 is. And sometimes those areas are magnets. When they're beneath it, they could rally back to it. When they're above it, they could pull back to it. So this was the breakdown in the end. 52, 52, right down 152 in US dollar yen. You're long above 52, you're short underneath 52. I think you're going to be short for a while. Cable way outperformed euro as expressed in euro pound. We're about to test the lows we had. So, it's tough to want to, it makes your preferred long the best trade was cable. And from 26, 27, when I was talking about accumulating, that has been a better trade than, 107, 108 buys in euro. So let's do some fib work together. Okay, just take a look at, I wouldn't look for much more than 38% retrace of this whole move because it's so powerful. So we started here, we bring it up here. It's close enough right here. Whoop. Okay. I'm going to have to shrink it. There we go. Okay. So 38 is going to be down around the 130 mark. That's another couple hundred lower. It may only be 23%. This is a 4-hour. That's going to come in right around 131. This was 31.25. Pretty good breakout area. So I'll start looking at it at 131. I didn't do the fibs in euro. Could do that with you guys now too. Just take it from here. Take it from the 108. That was the last buy. The 107 was about a month prior. What we got here. And 38% back is 110.30. That's around this breakout that I had, about 110. So right around 110.30 or so to 110 if offered. Wrong under 109. So this could be a great additional buying opportunity. In euro, Aussie's holding up the best. The commodity currencies are holding up the best. Let's take a look at this one too. So Aussie, especially if the S&Ps are going to blow to new all-time highs, 38% is 66.30. So that's right around this moving average, which looks like a breakout line. That would be an excellent buying opportunity if we had a shot there. So write some of these levels down so that when we're down there, you act. You don't go all in at that level, but that's where you would start. Okay, same scenario. Canada, what a great trade that was from up here. So I think that actually Canada's going to have a hard time getting back above 36. 36.30 is 38% back. Maybe 137, that'd be really a huge rally, but let's see what it could do. Initially, I'm thinking, back towards this 36 level because it was a big breakdown, should be a problem. But sometimes you could play on the other side of the breakdown. And here it is. So 136 might be all you could look for. A max 137 looks like the most you could see. I'm not expecting that much, but expect, everything and anything can happen. So these are the retraces that we're looking for. Just wanted to update you on WTI. It's having another semi-negative day if you were in the room. Put out a long. It was at the 61.8 level, 74.80, 74.72. So I've already taken some money off the table and stops our BE. I don't want to see it close under 75, so we'll see if it could continue to reverse or this was it. Clearing 78 is going to open the door for 82. So I have stops a shade under 74. It was a good trade. It was good for $5 if you took something out of it. And if you weren't long, I'm trying it here with a 100 pip stop under the low. Or you could just go, if you took it earlier, you could go break even or really have a profitable trade because you took partials plus 80. Crude, so we'll see. I think it's going to be a decisive day there. Gold and silver. Silver looks kind of vulnerable to me. If we start taking out this 29 level, maybe we could get this pullback minimum to 28. Gold is, really not. With all the, I know that everyone's talking 2,600 and I see how it could happen, but, with the way yields have come down, the way the dollar has crashed, gold really hasn't done that much during this whole dollar decline. So I'm still not chasing gold stocks here. Let's see what they're doing. GDX unchanged. Newmont continues to be the strength, but it's still diverging. Here's the juniors. Yeah, can't buy them right now. Also taking a look at what's happening in NASDAQ. Could this be a failing rally up here? The SQQ so far is holding this 78.6 level back. If you can see SQQ start taking out 850, which is, here. Let me adjust this. That'd be a very good warning sign that this correction could continue. So you see the confluence here at 850. That'd be a pretty good go signal. We'll see. So that's what I have. We're getting we rolled the dollar down. Now we're getting a bounce. We still are short the dollar, looking to add, like I said on Monday. I gave you some levels. I'll be back with you on Friday. Tomorrow I have a great interview with a guy who follows the epoch cycle. I've interviewed Ben Maldonado many times. He's going to be with us 10:30 a.m. EST. Take a look at what the cycle implies. I know things seem strange and there's a reason for it. And everything moves in cycles. It's the rhythm of the universe, cycles. So Ben will be here to talk about the epoch cycle. And that's a wrap, everyone. Have a great day. Good day hunting. Don't just count your pips, count your blessings, and see you tomorrow. Adios.